cumin egg vermicelli pasta casserole, or cumin egg vermicelli pasta bowl, or cumin egg winter melon vermicelli pasta casserole, or cumin egg winter melon vermicelli pasta bowl. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the egg recipes and one of the most unique of the cumin seed recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the casserole recipes and one of the most different of the pasta recipes and the most delicious of the pasta casserole recipes. Today we're going to make cumin egg winter melon pasta casserole. We've taken around 100 to 150 grams of vermicelli pasta, winter melon casserole. We've taken around 100 grams of winter melon, peeled and cut into pieces, 2 boiled eggs, 15 to 20 shallots, 15 grams of garlic, 15 grams of ginger, 2 spoons of cumin seeds, and around 2 tomatoes cut into pieces. Heat the pan and put in 15 grams of ghee or clarified butter. Let it melt. Put in the onion pieces. Salt. Caramel. Saute. Garlic sauce mix. Put in the garlic piece. Sauce the garlic piece. Put in the ginger. Put in salt to taste. Salt. Salt thoroughly. Keep on salting. Thoroughly saute mix. Now put in the cumin seeds, salt, thoroughly. Put in the quarter spoon of turmeric powder, salt, put in 1 spoon of chili powder, salt thoroughly. Put in salt to taste. Put in the tomato piece, winter melon piece, and the tomato piece. Salt, salt thoroughly. Keep on salting. Salt thoroughly for whitening meats. Put in the egg, salt, and let the mixture cook for 5 to 10 more minutes. Let the egg mix thoroughly with the rest of the mixture and let it cook. Put in the pasta, salt and mix. 250 ml of water. Mix thoroughly. Put in some curry leaves and let this mixture cook for 8 to 10 minutes. Now the cumin, egg, winter melon, vermicelli pasta casserole is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. Cumin, egg, vermicelli pasta casserole or cumin, egg, vermicelli pasta bowl. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the pasta casserole recipes and one of the most unique of the egg casserole recipes and one of the most delicious of the unique egg recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the vermicelli recipes and one of the most delicious of the cumin seed recipes and one of the most different of the pasta recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.